Thank you for tuning in. And again, my name is
Bess.
Welcome YouTube. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing of the ET-2720 EcoTank printer. Right here is the printer, and I'm going to let Ricky tell us a little bit about this printer and why we are going to be using this printer.
Well, this printer right here, it's EcoTank because it has tanks. And with that being said, you can pour ink into the tank and not replace it with cartridges that you're just going to throw in the trash that's going to end up in the whatever, landfills. You get more prints out of it. And also, this particular printer, along with other printers, can be converted into a sublimation printer.
Got it. Okay.
Do you know what a sublimation printer is? Well, see the prints on your shirt there?
Yeah.
That was probably done with sublimation.
My Puma. Ah! Sublimation. Okay, all right. And you can't even feel it.
Yeah.
It's like.
Yeah, what sublimation is see the paper you have right there?
Oh, this paper. I was wondering why we had this paper.
Yeah, that paper, what you're going to do is you're going to use sublimation ink in that printer. And then you're going to print to that paper. And then you're going to use that press over there to press the image to the garment. And what's going to happen is the ink is going to fuse with the garment. Feel it again. You can't feel anything. It's part of the garment.
It's part of the garment. You can't. It doesn't even have a bump, or you can't feel anything.
Yeah, it becomes part of that garment.
Okay. And this right here is the heat press.
That is a heat press
that we're going to be using in the future.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So let's get to unboxing, because I am curious to see these little bottles. They look like little you know, like when you go to bingo. I don't know if everybody ever went to bingo, and they used to have this little thing, and they go, and they press the ink down on the bingo little numbers, and they go bingo. Right.
So we won't be using that ink.
We're not going to use this ink?
No.
But the ink comes with it.
Yeah, ink comes with it, but you won't be using. That's a pigment ink. We're going to be using sublimation ink.
What kind of ink is this again?
Pigment.
Pigment ink. Pigment. Okay. All right. Let's get this baby open so we can see what's in here. So you know what? Let me move this sublimation paper over. Maybe I'll put it right here. Don't fall paper. Oh look, so let's open up this box. We look like we have a CD. It comes with a CD, and it comes with a little booklet that looks like it's talking about how to put this together. What's going on? Ooh, this looking kind of heavy. Oh look. All right, so here is the ink. Oh my God, the ink looks bigger than they are on the box. So this ink will go to waste then?
No.
Okay, so once we convert this into a sublimation printer, can we convert it back into a regular printer?
Yes, because most likely this is an entry-level printer, and once, you know, if you have a business or whatever, you get big orders and you want to get going, you're going to purchase something bigger. And so you might just decide to turn this back into a regular color printer. Okay. So keep your ink.
Okay, so we can keep, and look how big the ink size are. These are good size for ink, you know, for me. And I like these colors too. These colors are really nice. So this is not a real sublimation printer.
No.
Because the real one costs a pretty penny.
Yeah, Sawgrass sublimation printer, you're looking at $1,500.
Yeah, when I was looking for one, it was sold out.
Yeah.
So that means a lot of people are ordering these.
Obviously.
Yeah. All right, so let's take this boy out. I might have to tilt it just to take it out, because I'm going to bring it out of the box. Okay, so here is the printer. Turn it around. Oh, okay. You can't even tell which way is the front. What's the? Oh, okay. Here's the front of the printer. So I'm going to take it out of this beautiful plastic that I'm going to save, because this plastic right here, I can use this for something else. So this plastic is going to be saved. Good plastic cannot. Oh, you know what? This is really light. It's really light. Look, the boxes always make things feel heavier than what they are. because it's boxed. Oh, missed that. Okay, so here is the printer, and it's smaller than what I thought. In the box it looks so much bigger, but it's really a tiny printer. And then right here it comes with the cord to hook it up, and this is really nice. Should I take the tape off? Okay, so here is the Sublimation printer by Epson, and then we have
that's not a sublimation printer.
Oh.
We're going to convert it to a
okay. Correction. We're going to convert this into a sublimation printer. So here's the cord for the converting to the sublimation printer cord thing. And then, like I said, this is the book. So how are we going to convert this into a sublimation printer?
The only thing we're going to do is put sublimation ink in it and put sublimation paper in, and that's it. It's that simple.
Okay, so these. Okay, so how are we going to put the ink in there if these are the inks that came with it? Are the sublimation ink going to be just like these?
The sublimation ink will look just like those.
In the containers?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So once we're all done with this, you just get the other bottles with the sublimation ink, and you just change the ink in those.
Yes.
So this is not just going to waste.
No.
Okay. Okay. Well, this is a cute little printer. And this, like we said, this is the sublimation paper that we're going to use. So our next video, which will be part 2 of this video, we are going to show the process of printing from this printer onto the sublimation paper. All right, you guys, thank you all for watching. Our next video is going to be part 2 of this video, which is going to be the sublimation conversion. That'll be our next video, so make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video.